Hello dear students. Today in this video I am going to continue with the explanation of chapter 8 India Climate, Vegetation and Wildlife. In the previous video I explained what is weather, major seasons of India, that is cold weather season, hot weather season, southwest monsoon season, season of retreating monsoons. These seasons are also called as winter season, summer season, rainy season, and autumn season, respectively. Then, I briefly discussed about all these seasons. Today, I am going to explain about natural vegetation, why are forests necessary, what is wildlife, and why we should conserve the wildlife and save our environment. Let us start with the explanation of natural vegetation. We see a variety of plant life in our surrounding. How nice it is to play in the field with green grasses. There are also small plants called bushes and shrubs like cactus and flowering plants, etc. Dear students, you must have seen so many trees and plants in your surrounding, and definitely you enjoy the greeneriness in your locality and surrounding. There are bushes and shrubs like cactus and flowering plants. Beside these, there are so many tall trees with many branches and leaves like neem, mango. The grasses, shrubs, and trees which grow on their own without interference or help from human beings are called as natural vegetation. This means that grasses, shrubs, trees which are growing in the environment, but it does not take any help from human being. It grows naturally, so it is called as natural vegetation. Different types of natural vegetations are dependent on different climatical conditions, among which the amount of rainfall is very important. So, for growing grass, shrubs, and trees, it is very important to have a climatical condition, and definitely rainfall is very important for it. India has a variety of climatical condition which is responsible for a wide range of natural vegetation in India. Have you ever thought why are forests necessary? Do you think that you have some sort of dependency on forests? Forests are very useful for us. They perform various functions. Plant releases oxygen that we breathe and absorb carbon dioxide. Dear students, forests are very important and useful for us. Though we live in cities, but we are dependent on forest and plants because plants releases oxygen and we breathe that oxygen, and carbon dioxide is absorbed by plants, which helps in reducing the carbon dioxide level in our atmosphere. The roots of plants bind the soil, thus they control soil erosion. So, the roots of trees and plants hold the soil. During the rainy season, it holds the soil from displacing from its place. That results in control of soil erosions. Forests are the natural habitats of wildlife. Animals live in forests. They cannot live in cities. They will not find their food in the cities. So they are completely dependent on forest. So for wild animals, forest is their home. Natural vegetations has been destroyed to a large extent because of reckless cutting of trees. So as we are heading towards a lot of development, so humans have started cutting trees for their use. This has resulted in deforestation. We should plant more trees and protect the existing ones and make people aware of the importance of trees. To increase the awareness, government run programs like Van Mahotsav to involve more people in making our earth green and save forests. Wildlife. Forests are home to a variety of wildlife. That means in forest you will find so many types of wild animals. There are thousands of species of animals and a large variety of reptiles, amphibians, mammals, birds, insects, and worms which dwell in the forests. The tiger is our national animal. It is found in various parts of the country. Gir Forest in Gujarat is the home of Asiatic lions. So, I hope you all must be aware that tiger is our national animal. It is found in various parts of our country. Gir Forest is the home of Asiatic lions. Elephants and one-horned rhinoceros roam in the forest of Assam. Elephants are also found in Kerala and Karnataka. Camels and wild asses are found in the Great Indian Deserts and the Run of Kutch. So, we have got varieties of animals living in different parts of the country. India is equally rich in bird life. Peacock is our national bird. So, I hope you are also aware about that peacock is our national bird. There are varieties of birds in India like parrots, pigeons, myna, geese, bulbul, and ducks. There are several birds sanctuaries which have been created to give birds their natural habitats. So, as because of deforestation, many forests are being cut down. So, the humans have created national sanctuaries where the homely environment is given to the animals, birds, so to maintain natural habitats. These provide the birds protection from hunters as well. There are several hundreds of species of snakes also found in India. Due to cutting of forests and hunting, several species of wildlife of India are declining rapidly. Because when the forests are not there, so how the animals are going to survive? So the animals are dying because of deforestation, they are not getting food and shelter because of hunting also. Many species have already become extinct. In order to protect them, many national parks, sanctuaries, and biospheres reserves have been set up. So, just to protect them, the government has also started Project Tiger and Project Elephant to protect these animals because it is the responsibility of the government and also citizens to preserve our environment, save wildlife animals by refusing the use of products made from bodies of animals, bones, horns, fur, skins, and feathers. If you are going to say no to the products made by animals, we will give a great contribution in saving the wildlife. Every year we observe Wildlife Week in the first week of October. In the first week of October, Wildlife Week is celebrated. This is to create awareness of conserving the habitats of animal kingdom. The purpose of observing Wildlife Week is to create awareness among people so that they do not kill animals and save forests. Thank you for watching.